Today I am going to show you how to make a boat for projects. If you remember my yesterday's previous video, I had made a swan that flaps. If you haven't seen that video, I will keep the link down at the description, so you can go and check this video out. Now, to make this boat, open this one and get a square paper. The square paper will look like this, with a diamond and like this star shape and other creases. Now, first take the top creases, this boat diamond, this you will notice that there is a diamond, and take the top left and right crease and fold it backward. Just fold the top right and that crease. Do not take it all over here, just till here. Do the same with other side. Only with the top, not with the bottom. Now, which side, this top side you have done, here you will notice the bottom side here and at the sides. Take this in like this, and here one side, and take it good together. Do the same with here, the other side. Now you should get something that looks like this. Take that both edges. Now here you can see this crease coming here. Just refold that backwards like this. This one is a trickiest part. Like this, and just tuck it back. You should get something that triangle, so it would be something hard to tuck it. So take it one or this side, right or left side, and just close it, and we get our boat. It has many modes, like this is a motor boat. When you will just take this flap and open it, this would be a boat. You can just keep it like this or in a project or whatever. Now just take this part, and here you can see that it can come like this. Now just make a crease to align it with this line. Turn it over and repeat that crease. Make a crease very nice. Now open this flap here at the first and just push that little part so that it goes in like this and close it. So you should get something that looks like this, a ship. Now you can just take this to make a motor boat. You remember to do just like this, and it is a motor ship. Now to make it look like a sailboat, just take this part, tuck it in, so it should look like a motor boat. that we had made previous. Take these two corners and flatten it out. Same with the back side. Here at the back you will notice this triangle coming. So if you want it for a project, you can just glue here and paste it like this, so it should look like a sailboat. Or if you do not want to look like it a sailboat, just if you want it to float on the water, not for the projects, you can just take this beneath part and open it just like this and flatten it out like this. Some of you will notice this is coming up. Just make a good crease or take a book, such a big book, and give some pressure to it to flatten it out. This side also. Now if you do it very nicely, it would not come out like this, and now you can float it in water. Just flatten this part out nicely and it will float if you keep it in the water. But after some time it would sink in the water like the Titanic. So when you think it is sinking, just take the boat and let it dry. To make it a motor boat, just take these two flaps and flatten it out. So this was our finished project for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, rate and comment.